settling yourself into a cozy meditative space, your safe space. Gently close or lower your eyes, feeling the ground underneath your legs. Press down into your legs, lift your spine tall. Breathe into your body. Exhale, open your mouth, sigh it out. Settling into the earth underneath you. A bountiful earth, stable and steady. Connecting to those qualities within yourself. Nourishing your body and your mind while keeping a tall spine. Noticing your breath, the inflow, the outflow. Imagine your breath is able to travel up your spine. From the base of your spine, as you inhale, that breath is able to move all the way up towards the head and the crown of your head. And when you exhale, a shower of light cascades down upon you. If you'd like, breathing deeper, as you inhale, that breath is able to move all the way up from your tailbone, passing your hips, your heart, through your mind to the top of your head. Exhaling, a shower of light cascading down upon you, washing away any tension, any fear, any negativity. One more time. Imagining a ball of light from the base of your spine, moving it slowly up your spine, passing the hips, the heart, the throat, through the mind to the crown of the head. As you exhale, the light moves up and around you, showering down, cleansing you, to support and grow you, stable and steady. Feeling a little bit more grounded, a little bit more connected and open. Noticing the natural rhythm of your breath. Breathe in. Welcome in your day. As you exhale, bow your head down to your heart, honoring yourself, honoring the earth underneath you. Have a beautiful day. When ready, Flutter your eyes open, focusing on the earth in front of you. Gently lift your gaze, lift your head and your heart.